In this video, I will show you how to make a necklace, choker or a bead necklace, whatever it comes out, with a lot of recycled materials. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories while increasing the integration of recycled materials in our work. We also recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion, in that case, please subscribe today. Today I have chosen a lot of bits and pieces which are left over. So I've chosen these lace ribbons, these ones, these are all leftovers. All these and these, all of them are leftovers. So, and as I said, I might use these florets or roses, whatever you can call them. It depends how it works out. So also I have got the pliers, scissors. I've got the craft glue. Got the pickers. And also today I'm going to use my heated cold glue gun. Also I've got the jump rings, of course. I've got two sizes, 6 or 7, I can't remember this one, and this is the 4mm one. I've got the clasp, and also the cord endings, and I've got the extension to apply for all neck sizes. So what I'm thinking is today is maybe I'll just bind this over with each other just like this, and then I'll just apply these on top and then apply some of the flowers. So this I think will look really nice. And also I will use the bonding fabric in this case, which is about 4 to 5 millimeters, 4 to 5 centimeters, I'm sorry. So let's start. our choker necklace with bits and pieces that were recycled from other work. Thanks for watching again. Stay humble and wonderful.